To replace a grill regulator, you have to buy a complete hose and regulator assembly. The reason for a low flame on this grill is because the hose has collapsed and it is restricting the flow of gas. If the hose is in good condition, try resetting the regulator before replacing it. Turn all burners to the off position. Ensure that the propane tank valve is fully closed. Disconnect the regulator from the tank. Wait about 1 minute and then reconnect it. To avoid tripping the regulator's safety features, always open the tank valve slowly for the first turn. Test for good flame. To prevent the regulator from tripping when you're finished cooking, turn all the burners off first, then close the tank valve. To replace the regulator, turn the burners off, valve is closed, remove it from the tank. Yesterday, when I tried disconnecting this end of the hose, it wouldn't budge. I treated it with PB Blaster penetrating oil. Hopefully it'll break free easily today. Since I know this was stuck, I'm going to put a pair of pliers onto this valve body, and then my wrench on like this. I'm going to turn the wrench in this direction, but I'm going to have to move the camera, otherwise it could go flying. It broke loose, so just unthread it this way. And the new one goes on like this. Hand tighten it, and then snug it up with a wrench. Position the new hose so that it doesn't have any hard bends. That's why the old one failed, but that's what came with the grill. Connect the regulator to the tank, being careful not to cross-thread it. And then slowly open the tank valve. Check for leaks by brushing some soapy water on this connection. If you see bubbles, you have a leak. Also check this connection. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.